Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and restore your lost game progress in Monopoly Go. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you have to go ahead and make sure that you have the latest version of Monopoly Go installed to your device, because if not, you may be having a problem with the servers of Monopoly Go. So you have to go ahead and make sure that you open up the Play Store right here, and inside you have to ensure that you have the latest version updated. If not, there will be a huge update button right here, and you have to update your Monopoly Go application. And after that, the way to go ahead and restore lost game progress in Monopoly Go, you want to go ahead and click on the three lines right here, and you could just go ahead and see that at the upper right corner of your screen. Inside, you will then go ahead and see the settings icon right here, and you will go ahead and see the huge connect account button. Go ahead and open it up, and you have to go ahead and make sure that you have the right account logged in. For example, if you have your game progress connected to your Facebook account, you have to make sure that you have your Facebook account logged in right here. So just go ahead and click on the huge Facebook icon. And if you're using your Google Play games, you have to go ahead and click on sign in with Google. But if you're using an iOS device, there will be an iOS logo right here. Just go ahead and click on it, and in that way, you will be able to retrieve your account. Now, if that doesn't work, or maybe you forgot to connect your account within Facebook or Google Play or Apple, the next thing to do is to go ahead and connect with support. Once again, inside the settings right here, just go ahead and click on the customer service. Inside, they will go ahead and take you to their website right here. You want to go ahead and click on I lost my game progress. Then inside, they will instruct you with the same thing, but we are actually going a little bit down until you find the chat with us button. Open it up, and you will be able to connect with the Scopely support. Inside, you want to make sure that you provide them with the right account description. For example, if they ask you what is the level of your account, you have to go ahead and provide them with the exact answer. Basically, they will be asking important questions that is in your account, and you have to provide answers for those questions. You may need a screenshot of your account to help them retrieve your lost game progress. So guys, in that way, you will be able to retrieve your lost game progress in Monopoly Go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.